Hey guys, so today I'm here to show you a haul that I'm super excited about. I placed my first order from Viovet, which I'm sure most of you know is a UK company, and I am in the US. So before I actually show you what's in here, I'm going to tell you a little bit about them, just because I know I'm going to get a lot of questions about how I got this. Viovet does ship worldwide, so no matter where you live, they can ship to you. In the US, there are a few restrictions. You can only order a box that weighs up to 2 kilograms, which I ended up getting about 10 items, so you can't order too much. If you go over 2 kilograms, they don't give you a shipping option at all if you're in the US. It only says you can pick it up in the warehouse. So you do have a limit on how much you can order per order. They do have a flat rate shipping fee to the US, which is £10. I converted that to US dollars, and right now, based on the exchange rates, that is about $16.75 shipping. So it is pretty expensive, but I have shipped to the UK before, and I know that it would cost me a lot more than that to ship a box this size over there. So thinking about it, it's not too bad since you are getting it from the UK. I ordered this really late on March 30th, and it arrived on April 11th. So it did only take about 10 or 11 days to get here, which is really good coming from the UK. So definitely have no problems with their shipping. The box didn't have any bubble wrap or anything in it. The items were just in there, but they were packaged pretty nicely and nothing was broken. So that was really good. Also, when you order on Viovet, it is all in British pounds. So you'll have to use Google, which is what I used, or another thing, to find a converter to see how much it would be in US dollars. I just went and paid on PayPal. So when you go to PayPal, it automatically converts your dollars into pounds. So I didn't have to worry about doing any of that. It did it for me and paid in pounds, and then just took it out of my account in dollars. So everything worked out fine and easy. So now that I've told you a little bit about the company and how to order if you live in the US, I'll go ahead and show you what I got in the haul. So Steve is here to help like always, and Ellie is right here too. There are a couple dog treats in the box and they can smell them, so they've been really excited wanting me to get this haul over with so they can try them. So I'll just go ahead and get started since I got 10 items. The first thing is something for Buttercup. Most of these things are. This is just by the Rosewood brand, and it is the Boredom Breaker Woody's Gnaw Garland. I know that she is not going to chew on this one bit, but I thought it was super cute, so I had to get it because I see it in other people's hauls, and it will just really make her cage look cute, and Steve thinks this is for him. She does like to chew the bars, so even though she doesn't chew on much wood, I still like to put a lot of stuff on the bars just to try to distract her. So I think this will really help out. I did go ahead and I converted all of my prices to dollars so I could tell you how much everything cost, and you would understand if you're watching in the US and wanting to order. So right now, based on the exchange rates, this cost a little over $6, so it was pretty expensive. But I think it will really look really cute in her cage, so I definitely think it was worth it. Next is another really cute item, which is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Once again, I don't think she's going to chew on this, but I think she might nibble on the rope or loofah, and she can crawl on it. This is from Boredom Breaker. All the Boredom Breaker things are also made by Rosewood, I believe, right there. So it's made by the same company. And this is just the Grape and Gnaw, which is pretty much safe for all small pets because it's just wood and some like sisal or some type of rope and some loofah. This cost $3.85. Next is another thing by Rosewood. This is a Boredom Breaker Corny the Owl. This is just a really cute little owl-shaped toy made of corn husk, and this was $2.43. It's another chew by the Rosewood Boredom Breakers. These are the nibble sticks. They're Tempting Wood corn toss and play gnaws, and there's just 3 of them in there. Like it says, they're wood with a little bit of corn husk on them. And these were $2.53. Next is a toy actually not made by Rosewood. This is made by Happy Pet, I believe is the manufacturer. This is just a wooden rattle. There are similar things like this in the US, of course, but this was the last item I added in my cart. At that point, I was just trying to see how many items I could get without going over the 2 kilogram limit, just because I wanted to try as many as I could. So this was only $2.98, so I thought I would just throw it in just to get it, and I can stuff some different bigger treats and other things in there. And the last toy, once again, Rosewood Boredom Breaker, kind of had a theme going in this haul. This is the Corn Leaf Book and Pencils. Just says tempting toss and chew toys for your best friend. I just thought these were super cute. They're just pretty much pure corn husk. And these were $2.63 for this pack. And last, I did get a few things of treats. These are the Rotostack Fruity Shapes. These were really, really cute, and I've seen them in hauls before. I'm not sure how much Buttercup's going to like them, but I just thought they were really cute, and they were only $1.19, so I thought why not get them and try them out since I always see them. So I picked up a little bag of those. I also picked up these Roadwood Boredom Breaker Natural Shrimp Cookies for Buttercup. These were $3.15, and these are just, you can read it right there. They are baked wholesome cookies packed with their favorite seeds, nuts, and for an added treat, tasty shrimp. So these are great for hamsters, mice, rats, and gerbils. You can actually see the little shrimp in there, so I think Buttercup will really, really like these treats. And last, I did get two things for the dogs, but these can also be used for Buttercup too, so I'll let her try them. I just got a little pack of these Pedigree Cheesy Bites. I have had these before when I did a trade a couple years ago with Amanda from the Binky Bunny Shed, and my hamsters really, really liked them then, so did Ellie. And these are the perfect, really small size for training treats. So I went ahead and picked up a pack of these. They're only $1.79 for a little pack, and they were a big hit, so I had to get those. And the last thing I got are these Purina Baker's All Sorts. These are another dog treat. We do have Purina here, but I don't think we have the Baker's brand. We don't have these exact treats, but I'm sure there's something similar in the UK. But once again, these are just another treat that I see in a lot of haul and treat collection videos in the UK. So I really wanted to just try them out, and I know my dogs will love them, and I'm sure Buttercup will too. And these were $2.88. So that is everything I ordered from Viovet. Like I said, you can order up to a 2-kilogram box in the US, and it'll cost you around $16 or $17 shipping, depending on the exchange rate. When I ordered all this, I did have a 3-pound off voucher, which is right around $5. So altogether, I ended up paying right around $42 or $43 for all this, which seems a little bit expensive, but it is 10 items, and with shipping, that's really not too bad. And it's just stuff that I've never been able to try before. If you're interested in ordering from Viovet, I do have a 3-pound or $5 off coupon code that you can use. The link to that will be down in the description. You can use it no matter where you are, whatever currency you're using it for. So make sure to check that out if you're interested in ordering. So I was very impressed with their delivery. It's always a little scary sending or receiving anything overseas. And this did come pretty quick, about 10 or 11 days, and nothing was broken. So I was really impressed with that, and I love all the items. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Once again, the 3-pound off or $5 off coupon code will be down in the description, and I'll see you guys next time.